The structural integrity of the frame is almost gone, and the refrigeration unit took a massive hit. The saltwater ingress is severe.
The caliper reading is showing severe pitting on the frame rail.
The laser confirms it. We're looking at significant structural failure around these welds.
The harmonics look stable right here.
Yes, the calibration is perfect.
The precision of the plasma cut is paramount. Once the damaged section is removed, these new beams must align perfectly before the TIG welding begins.
We've replaced the main bearings and seals.
I'll torque these down to spec. Okay, all circuits verified on the main harness. Perfect, I've secured the last bundle here. Slowly now, watch the edge. It's seating perfectly. That's exactly what we want.
Interface readings are stable across all modules.
And the thermal scan shows no anomalies in the wheel housing. Finalizing the report now.